Hi, my name is Robin, and as product owner for Empower Docs, Mails, and Sheets, I would like to give you a quick overview over the exciting new features that will come to you with Empower Docs 9.0. Let's start with the Simplified Ribbon. The Simplified Ribbon essentially is a new layout for the Empower Ribbon that organizes all the features and functions in a more intuitive way. We have thought about the entire document creation process, from starting a new document from a template, through adding content, formatting and styling, up to checking and finalizing a document. All the features are still there, they are just organized in a more intuitive way that follows the typical workflow around creating a document. This layout provides a stronger focus on the most used features by presenting them more prominently, while moving the less frequently used features into collapsible areas or submenus and out of sight. For example, the formatting tools, you can access them if you click this button. It will expand the formatting area. All the tools are here. If you don't use them often or don't need them at all, just collapse it. Experienced and power users can, of course, continue to work with the layout they are familiar with by turning off the simplified ribbons in the settings pane over here. And with that, you go back to the classic ribbon layout. When deploying Empower 9, you can pre-configure if users should start with the simplified or the classic ribbon, or if they should be asked for their preference on first start after the Empower 9 deployment. Next, there's look and feel and theme support. For Empower 9, we have improved the overall look and feel and made a lot of individual subtle, but altogether quite significant changes, so that Empower 9 now has an even better, more consistent and focused visual appearance that also builds upon several aspects of the general direction Microsoft moves into with the Office user interface and its latest update. Empower 9 also finally properly supports the different Office themes. That is, if your users choose a different Office theme, for example, dark gray, black, white, or colorful, Empower automatically changes its appearance to match the selected Office UI theme, and the Empower user face will blend right in with Office and will provide an even more pleasing visual experience for those users that prefer a different color theme. Then there's telemetry and usage reports. Starting with this version, Empower 9 by default gathers telemetry data about the usage of the software in your organization. To ensure the user's data privacy, the software only collects anonymized data. With this data, you can get usage reports from us that provides insight on questions like, what's the adoption rate? How many people in the organization are actually using Empower? How intensively are they using Empower? What are the most popular features? And what features maybe are not used as much, so that maybe it's worth considering to provide specific training on these features. Based on these numbers, you can also get a return on investment report so that you can literally prove that Empower is a worthwhile investment. One of the biggest news is that with Empower 9, Docs now also is available as an online version that integrates with Word Online and is available in a browser on any platform, so that you can access the latest document templates, manage your profile data, and get started with documents pre-filled with up-to-date company and profile information in no time, no matter the platform. Docs Online is integrated in the Empower web app. You can see it here. And also integrates in Word Online. Just go over here, open up the library, pick a template, and you can open it in a new tab. Docs will ask you for the document settings, that is the profile, the location, and the language. And once you confirm that, it begins to fill the template in the background. And once it has completed that, it will ask you to open that in a new tab. Just a few seconds later. And here we go, a pre-filled document. Of course, you can also edit your profiles in Docs Online. Click the profile button and it will open the profile management console. That allows you to see all your profiles, your reference profiles, and also allows you to edit all the fields, link them with directory service external fields, add translations, and so on. Docs Online does not yet come with all the features you may know from Docs for Windows, but we didn't want to keep you waiting for these core features, and we'll also add more features with the next versions. Finally, there's a long list of improvements. To name just a few, Docs now supports scalable vector graphics, or SVG, a common vector-based image format, as elements in the Empower library. Images in this format can be scaled to any size without loss of quality and also are quite small in storage size, which makes this format ideal for logos, visualizations, clip arts, and non-photorealistic images in general. Then we added a feature in Docs that allows you to refresh or update all the word fields in a document with just one click, whether they are in the main document, in the header or footer, in shapes, or even in comments. We also improved the document check. We added several autocorrections. For example, the font color or general the color checks now do a perception-based color matching to find any colors in the corporate design that closely match the violating color. And only if a matching color is found, it will be used for autocorrection. For example, we only have 3 colors here, dark blue, black, white. And we now see that when I do the autocorrect, Empower only corrects the blue because it matches the dark blue, but this green color does not match any color from the corporate design closely, so it's not corrected automatically, and asks the user to correct it manually. Also, we significantly improved the speed of checking a document. That's especially noticeable with large documents. We added several improvements and better handling for edge cases regarding checks and corrections, and we also added keyboard navigation for the document check pane. Finally, we improved the permission dialog that contains several small improvements and UI corrections that makes it a lot easier to manage permissions in the Empower library, especially for large groups of people. That concludes the quick overview of the new features in Empower 9.0. We hope you enjoy these new features just as much as we do, and we'd love to hear what you think about them. So please let us know. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Till next time. Bye.